everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today's video, ta-da, we are going to do unboxing. Yes, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, it is an art. My name is Philine, and also I do online selling, and I have my Mercari down below. Just click in my Mercari and check it out. I have a lot of things that are on sale right now. Yes, and if you're a fan of bags, all my unboxing, I made at least 99%, I guess. Okay, 90%. 90% of my unboxing is also for sale. So, yay, let's do it. So, for today, let's go to a Tory Burch fashion house. Yes, what am I doing? I'm going to, oh, I thought I had two, but so this is the receipt. They put it in here. Okay, so this is chan charan charan charan. Voila! Yes. Wow. It's actually really, hang on. It is actually really, like, I can see this is for the flap one. This is bigger. So this is called Kira Chevron, and I believe Kira Chevron Glazed Convertible Shoulder Bag. So look at that. It's like almost flaky, kind of very soft leather. And what is the color of this one? I don't even know what color is this. Like a maroon, dark brown, some sort of dark burgundy. That's pretty nice. So yeah, it's like that. Yay! So Kira Chevron, and look at that. This is like similar to Chanel flap. Oh, look at that, because they're a flap. And the chain is very oh, this is convertible. You can do it shoulder bag or crossbody bag, and they're all leather, but the lining is, I think the lining is suede. There you go. And look at that. And it's big enough. It's really nice. Very nice. Ta-da! Very nice. Tory Burch Kira Chevron leather. Yay! I think the chevron, it's because of their design. That's why it's chevron. But the leather is a glazed leather. It's so pretty. This one, we will look into the price on how much is the retail price. So this one is $578. But of course, I did not buy it for that price. So, but I also will sell this for a really good price, because right now they are not on sale anymore in the Tory Burch. Yay! So if you want it, you make me an offer. Click my Mercari down below. After this video is going to be live, probably this one is already, of course, I'm sure it's already been in my Mercari, and possible it will be sold. All right, thank you. And make sure you subscribe in my channel if you like this video, and if you like it, of course, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me, of course, in my journey in my YouTube. Yay! And also an online selling. Bye! Have a wonderful day, everyone.